Struggling to save money? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to save $10,000 in a year, even if you're broke. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Years ago, I stared at my bank account and felt stuck. The numbers on the screen seemed to taunt me, reminding me of how little I had left after each month. I remember feeling a mix of anxiety and frustration, wondering if things would ever change. My dreams, buying property, investing, maybe even traveling, felt impossible with what I had. I'd scroll through listings of homes I couldn't afford, or see investment opportunities that seemed out of reach. It was like watching life happen to other people, not to me. Every paycheck vanished into bills and small expenses, rent, groceries, utilities, and those little purchases that added up faster than I realized. By the time the month ended, my account was nearly empty again. Saving even $100 felt like a victory, a rare moment of hope, but the idea of saving $10,000? That seemed like a fantasy, something reserved for people with higher incomes or fewer responsibilities. I watched others travel, buy new gadgets, and enjoy luxuries I couldn't afford. Social media made it look so easy for everyone else, and I wondered what secret I was missing. I tried to save, but life always got in the way. Unexpected car repairs, birthdays, lunches out with friends. There was always something that needed my attention, and my savings would take the hit. The cycle repeated and I felt powerless. It was like being stuck on a treadmill, running hard but never getting anywhere. I started to believe maybe I just wasn't meant to get ahead. Everything changed when I stopped waiting for a windfall and started focusing on my habits. I realized that no one was coming to rescue me, and that small changes could add up over time. Wealth isn't built in one big leap, it's built through small daily choices. I started making coffee at home, packing my lunch and saying no to unnecessary spending. These choices felt minor, but they started to add up. I reframed saving as a game I could win, not a sacrifice. Each time I put a little money aside, I celebrated the progress, no matter how small. It became about building momentum, not about deprivation. I broke my big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of focusing on the daunting total, I set mini goals, like saving $50 a week or reaching $500 by the end of the month. Each milestone gave me a sense of accomplishment. I realized I didn't need a millionaire's salary, just a system that worked for me. By tracking my spending and sticking to my plan, I could make real progress, even on a modest income. Anyone can achieve big financial goals, no matter where they start. I saw people from all walks of life making it work, and that inspired me to keep going. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. The key is to start, learn, and stay consistent. I tracked my progress, learned from my mistakes, and kept moving forward, even when it felt slow. I stopped blaming circumstances and took control of my habits. I realized that excuses were just holding me back, and that I had the power to change my story. Saving $10,000 became a series of small hills, not a mountain. Each step was manageable, and over time, those small wins added up to something big. I found my map, and I started climbing. I set my direction, marked my milestones, and kept moving, even when progress was slow. If you're willing to begin and stick with it, you can do this too. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence, and believing that your small steps matter. Your journey starts with a single step. No matter how far you have to go, the most important thing is to begin. And with each step, you'll get closer to your goal. Saving $10,000 isn't just a dream reserved for high earners or people with fancy job titles. It's a goal that's possible for almost anyone, no matter your background or what you do for a living. Whether you're a barista, a retail worker, a delivery driver, or even a student juggling part-time gigs, you can start building your savings today. One of the biggest myths out there is that you need a massive salary to save a significant amount. But the truth is, saving isn't just about how much you make, it's about how you manage what you have. Sure, income plays a role, but your habits and mindset matter even more. The way you approach your money can make all the difference. I've seen people with modest incomes consistently save more than those earning six figures, simply because they're intentional with their spending and make saving a priority. The real difference comes down to choices. They control their spending, look for deals, and make saving a non-negotiable part of their routine. Building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about deciding where every dollar goes. When you take charge of your money, you start to see real progress. You can give yourself a raise without changing jobs, simply by cutting out unnecessary costs and redirecting that money into your savings. You don't need anyone's permission to start saving. You can take action right now, even if it's just a few dollars at a time. Saving isn't about depriving yourself or living on instant noodles. It's about making thoughtful choices that support your goals and your well-being. It's about making smart, sustainable changes like cooking at home, reducing energy bills, or finding free ways to have fun. Remember, small adjustments add up. Even tiny changes repeated over time can lead to big results and help you reach that $10,000 goal. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a plan for real stability and peace of mind, so you're ready for whatever life throws your way. The first step is believing you can do it, no matter what your paycheck says. Confidence and consistency are your best tools. With a clear plan and steady discipline, reaching $10,000 is absolutely within your reach. Celebrate every milestone along the way. Focus on what you keep, not just what you make. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your goal. Anyone can build wealth with the right habits and a supportive community. You're not alone on this journey. Start seeing yourself as someone who can save. Visualize your success and let that vision motivate your daily choices. The journey begins with a single step, and the belief that saving $10,000 is possible for you, starting today. $10,000 sounds huge until you break it down. That's $834 a month, $193 a week, or just $28 a day. Suddenly it's not a mountain, but a series of small steps. Can you save $28 today? That's the real question. Skip a meal out, make coffee at home, or avoid an impulse buy. Micro goals make the big goal manageable. Each day you hit your target is a win. Write down your daily goal and keep it visible. Focus on today's $28, not the whole $10,000. This approach builds momentum and confidence. You don't need a windfall, just daily mindfulness. Every small choice adds up. Let $28 a day be your mantra. The journey is about consistency, not perfection. Break the goal down, and it becomes achievable. Start with today's small win. To truly start saving, you first need to understand exactly where your money is going each month. It's easy to lose track of small expenses, but they add up quickly. Creating a budget isn't about limiting your life. It's about giving yourself the freedom to make choices that align with your goals. Think of it as a tool that empowers you, not a set of rules that hold you back. Start by tracking every single expense for at least a month. Don't judge yourself or feel guilty, just collect the data. This is about awareness, not blame. As you track, you'll start to notice patterns and spot money leaks, like daily coffees, unused subscriptions, or those impulse buys that seemed harmless at the time. To get started, try the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple framework that helps you organize your spending. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This gives you a clear structure to follow. But remember, your budget should fit your life. If you're determined to reach your savings goal faster, consider shifting more, maybe 30% towards savings. Your budget isn't set in stone. It's a living document that should be reviewed and updated regularly as your circumstances change. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every step forward counts, even if it's small. A budget puts you in the driver's seat. It shows you exactly where you can cut back and where you can save more. Think of your budget as your personal roadmap to $10,000. It guides your decisions and keeps you on track. Don't just set your budget and forget it. Make it a habit to check in weekly or at least monthly to stay accountable. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Reward yourself when you stick to your plan. It keeps you motivated. Life is unpredictable, so flexibility is key. If something unexpected comes up, adjust your budget and keep moving forward. The ultimate goal is to make saving automatic and stress-free. Set up automatic transfers so you don't have to think about it. Remember, your budget is your most powerful financial tool. It helps you make informed choices every day. Use your budget to guide every financial decision, big or small, and involve your family or partner if you share expenses. With a clear plan and consistent tracking, your savings goal is absolutely within reach. Start today and watch your progress grow. Most of your money goes to housing, transportation, and food. Tackle these for the biggest savings. Get a roommate, move to a cheaper place, or rent out a spare room. Rethink your car. Can you downsize, use public transit, or sell it? Cook at home and meal prep to slash food costs. Even small changes here can free up hundreds each month. Focus on these big wins before worrying about lattes. Major cuts in these areas make your savings goal realistic. Small daily expenses add up fast. Subscriptions, coffees, lunches out, they're silent budget killers. Audit your recurring payments and cancel what you don't use. Make coffee at home and pack your lunch. Use a reusable water bottle and avoid convenience stores. Plan errands to save on gas. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 48 hours. Hunt for deals, buy second-hand, and repair instead of replace. These habits save hundreds over time. Mindfulness is key. Question every small purchase. Plugging these leaks is crucial for hitting your daily savings target. Every dollar saved on small things goes straight to your goal. Be a savvy, intentional spender. Small changes, big impact. Don't underestimate the power of daily choices. Make every dollar count. Your savings grow with every mindful decision. Cutting expenses only goes so far. Earning more accelerates your savings. Sell unused items for quick cash. Turn hobbies or skills into side gigs. Freelance, pet sit, tutor, deliver food. Even a few hours a week can add up. Explore paid research studies, small online tasks, or part-time weekend jobs. All extra income should go straight to savings. Don't let side hustle money become extra spending. Be creative. There are endless ways to earn more. Find what fits your schedule and interests. Every extra dollar brings you closer to your goal. Increasing income is your secret weapon. Use it to supercharge your savings journey. Starting is easy. Sticking with it is hard. Make your progress visible with charts, jars, or apps. Celebrate milestones with low-cost rewards. Keep your why front and center. Write it down and revisit it often. Motivation will dip, but visual reminders keep you going. Small celebrations fuel long-term consistency. Remember, saving isn't just about money. It's about freedom and opportunity. Your mindset is as important as your budget. Stay focused on your purpose. Let your reason drive you through tough days. That's how you reach the finish line. You have the blueprint, now take the first step. Don't get overwhelmed, just start with one action today. Track your spending, cancel a subscription, or make coffee at home. Each small step builds momentum. Building habits is like working out. Consistency brings results. Setbacks will happen. Don't let them stop you. Acknowledge mistakes, then get back on track. In a year, you could have $10,000 saved and a new sense of freedom. Every daily choice matters. Forget past mistakes. Your future is a blank slate. Start writing your new story now. Your journey to $10,000 begins with a single dollar. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. The power to change your finances is in your hands. Take control, one step at a time. Your financial future starts today. You can do this. Begin now, $1 at a time. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account every time you get paid. Even if it's just $20, $50 at first, you'll save consistently without thinking about it. And over 12 months, those small amounts add up fast toward your $10K goal. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.